Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply fix your Instagram story music feature not available problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and start our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna go ahead and access your Play Store and type in Instagram on search bar and see if it's updated or not, because if it's not, then sometimes the lags and the error could be one of the reasons why you're having it. Go ahead, update it, and tap on this open option, and then you're gonna find this kind of home section, right? You're gonna go ahead, tap on this plus icon beside your profile and go ahead, create yourself a story, right? Once you're done creating the story, this kind of interface gonna pop up with all the options, including the music one. First, you can access it just by tapping on this icon. Other than, you can do it, tap on this little icon beside this GIF icon and go ahead, scroll down, tap on this music option by here as well. And here also you're gonna go ahead, choose yourself a music and you can add it. If the particular music isn't available in your region, go ahead, choose other one. But that is the way you can solve it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.